Okay, so hopefully this is recording. My name is Neil Patel, and this is my 3-minute video for my problem 3 of assignment 1 on my understanding. So on Java, for Java, I downloaded IntelliJ IDEA, the IDE, because I just kind of like the format of this better. It's kind of like part PyCharm. It was made by the same people at PyCharm, but anyways, this is my problem 1. And then the one thing I didn't really understand at the start, it was why this the name of it had to match like the project name, or it just doesn't work, or it has to be like a certain name for some reason. But yeah, so that's what you always have to start off with. I have it in all my other questions too, as you can see. But back to the first one, as problem 1, of course, and then you have to import Java utility scanner, and that just allows you to use all of like this, and then you have to make the class so whatever the program is actually going to be running, or that part of it. And I just called it area triangle and then abbreviated homework, and then you have to start up a bracket so it actually like starts. And then this is something you always have to have after the public statics void main string and arguments, and another bracket to actually start that up too. And then I just use scanner, and then that's the name of your scanner of when it would like scan an input from the user, and then that's just you putting that in. But system.out.println, this is just what it's giving out in the terminal down here. So I just put enter the width of the triangle, and then you said it'd have to be 4, so I just added the 4 in so they know what to type. And then double base equals scanner, so we're recalling this, and then next double, so it just switches on this. Usually people use line, but or like string for it, or integer if you're using that, but I think double just works for everything. And this one had to be 8, so I just put 8 back in here, enter the height of the triangle, and then the next double area with the base and height, and then of course you have to divide it by 2 because that's how you find the area of the triangle. And then it's just system.out.println, and then area of the triangle is, and then make sure you keep like a space right here so it doesn't seem crammed in the console when you call upon it, and then plus area, and then this is whatever was in here, so it's running this back out with this out. Kind of hard to explain in words, I guess, but I hopefully you can see where I'm like dragging and stuff, but I'll just run this to show you how it works. And then look, enter the width of the triangle, it just comes up with 4, so hopefully everyone knows they got put in 4. There it is. And then enter the height of the triangle, 8. You guessed it, it'd be 8. And then it comes out with the area of the triangle is 16. And if you guys want to like check it out on if that's right or not, I guess you could, but that is what it is. So, and then yeah, so that's just how, or that's what my thought process was around the first problem. Oh yeah, and something else I like in here instead of Python is you can just do this, and if you wanted to exit out the whole thing, and just put a asterisk and then a backslash, and then it just gets rid of all that, or it doesn't get rid of it, but it makes it into a comment. So that's something I liked about this. But yeah, so that's just my understanding on Java right now, and then yeah.